Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Dian Kamelisya Damanik. Name 670123121307. From the D3 Information System major. Here I will explain my internship report entitled Titip Sini App Vendors User Interface Design. Background of the problem. Increased human mobility in the era of technological advancement raises new problems for those who are traveling far, namely the security of personal items that will be left behind. In addition, attention is also focused on economic issues such as unemployment and property that occur in people's lives. The current digital era can provide solutions and economic opportunities, especially for previously left behind individuals. The problems faced form an idea to form a new business in the field of custody service for goods, buildings, and vehicles. Cus- Custody business provide service to temporarily look after other people's belongings, especially for those who have ample storage space. They can utilize their building for storage. And then problem formulation. The formulation of the problems to be studied is how to design the user interface of the Titip Sini application vendors with a focus on an attractive and user-friendly appearance. The solution found was to design a user interface to build a new business through vendors' land. The purpose, the first design the user interface of Titip Sini application vendors with a focus on an attractive and user-friendly appearance. Second, help expand the range of luggage storage service. Third, open up job opportunities for those who choose vacant land. Functionality. There are many functionality of from the Tipsy application. The first is login, uh, and then others, then bank account, then withdrawal of funds, and then balance check, order quantity, service verification, top up, and the last notification. Theoretical foundation. There are two. The first, current system. The current system still use data collection. Service providers still record titip sini customers using manual records. In addition, addition, in addition, customers also only know titip sini through Instagram and certain websites, resulting in customer limitation and a lack of customer trust in the service that will be provided. And then the system development. Sini is a platform that can help partner vendors in providing goods storage service in the form of the mobile application. This application helps vendors to utilize the land they have to be used as a place to storage goods. In addition, with the Titip application, there will be many individuals who have land that is not used as a place to provide productive service. And then business process, the first is login. Vendors start by entering the login menu, following by entering their email and password. The system checks whether the email and password are correct or not. If true, the user will enter the main page. If not, the user will be prompted to enter the correct email and password. And then service verification. The user starts by obtain the service that he will provide in his business. For example, the user provides goods, vehicle, and building service. Then, for the goods service, the user will be asked to fill in the warehouse address data. For the vehicle service, the user will be asked to fill in the parking lot address. For the building service, the user will be asked to fill in the guard's identity data. The storage service will be available. If the vendors provide pickup for the goods service, then fill in the vehicle identity data, otherwise it will be finished. And then manage orders. Vendors start by viewing orders by clicking on the new orders, completed orders, and canceled orders. Next, vendors choose the type of goods service, vehicle, building, and pickup. For more, the status of the order. If the order is accepted, the details of the order will appear. If the order is rejected, it will be asked to fill in the reason for rejecting, and finally the details of the rejected order will appear. And then profile settings. Vendors will fill in the data verification form after login. Then the system will verify the data. If the data is wrong, the user will be asked to fill in the verification form again, but if it is correct, the user will be asked to fill in the office address, fill in the bank account, and fill in the operating hours. Finally, the profile is completed. And then use case application, Philips ini application. Vendors can log in including password verification and display an error message. And then vendors can perform data verification, including data verification by system, and an error message is displayed. And then vendors can verify service, including reject verification, and an error message is displayed. Next, vendor can manage orders, and then vendors can manage a bank account, and then vendors can manage operating hours, vendors can make withdrawals, vendors can check balance, including checking transaction history. And then in here, there are interface design. The first page is login, and then page home, and next page order, and next page settings, page notification, and page data verification. And then there are interface design service. The first is good service. The second is vehicle service. Third, to pick up, and the last building service. Next, conclusion. Based on the design of the user interface of the Titip Sini application vendors, the authors can conclude that 1. The Titip Sini user vendors application can help customers in leaving their goods. 2. Can provide a forum for people who have empty land. 3. Can help in expanding the range of the goods storage market. Next, advice. For the development of the Titip Sini application, the author realized that the design build still has many shortcomings. For that, the author provides several suggestions, namely, 1. The display can be improved again to make it more attractive. 2. Photos to be uploaded can be sent directly to the application. 3. Adding a chat feature that connects customers with vendors. 4. Adding a map feature so that the items being picked up can be tracked. And the last addition of payment types through the Titip Sini e-wallet. I think that's all for me. Thank you.